As car camping and overlanding surge in popularity, the days of balancing a stove on a wobbly log are over. Modern campers demand culinary efficiency and hygiene, driving the market for dedicated camping kitchens. This guide evaluates the top portable workstations available, analyzing frame stability, storage capacity, counter space, and setup speed. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a family campsite chef, we help you find the perfect culinary command center for the outdoors.
Product number 1. Vevor Camping Kitchen Table. The Vevor Camping Kitchen Table is less of a table and more of a portable culinary fortress. Vevor has made a name for itself by providing industrial-grade equipment at consumer prices, and this camping kitchen follows that ethos. It is designed for the camper who brings everything: spices, utensils, dry goods, and pots, and needs a distinct place for all of it. The standout feature of this station is its immense storage capacity. It features hanging zippered storage cupboards made from durable Oxford cloth. These lockers are essential for maintaining campsite hygiene. They keep your food and plates sealed away from bugs, dust, and curious wildlife while keeping the campsite looking tidy. The center tabletop is aluminum surrounded by a steel windscreen. This windscreen is a critical addition as it protects your stove's flame from gusts, significantly reducing boiling times and saving fuel. Structurally, the X-shaped aluminum alloy bracket ensures the table doesn't wobble while you are chopping vegetables or stirring a heavy stew. It creates a stable U-shaped workstation that wraps around the cook, putting everything within arm's reach. While the assembly is more involved than a simple folding table, the payoff is a professional-grade workspace that allows you to cook complex meals in the middle of nowhere. It is the ideal choice for long-term base camps where organization is paramount. Product number 2. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. For campers who dread the some assembly required aspect of gear, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station is a revelation. GCI, Great Chair Innovations, specializes in ingenious folding mechanisms, and this station lives up to the brand's name. It utilizes a one-piece design that sets up and breaks down in seconds, folding completely flat. This makes it incredibly easy to slide into a packed trunk or store in a garage without taking up valuable floor space. Despite its slim profile, it offers a surprising amount of utility. The aluminum countertop is heat-resistant, making it the perfect platform for your Coleman stove or a tabletop grill. Unlike plastic tables, you don't have to worry about the heat melting the surface. Flanking the main counter are fold-out side tables equipped with beverage holders and stemware slots, adding a touch of class to your outdoor dining. The lower rack offers storage for dry goods, while the upper shelf is perfect for keeping paper towels and condiments accessible. It doesn't have the enclosed storage of the Vevor models, so it is better suited for fair-weather campers or tailgaters who need a quick, reliable surface. Its lightweight nature and carrying handle make it the most portable option on this list, perfect for moving from the car to the picnic area effortlessly. Product number 3. Vevor Camping Kitchen Table, Deluxe Folding Model. While sharing the brand name with the first entry, this iteration of the Vevor Camping Kitchen Table often represents the brand's focus on heavy-duty load capacity and water resistance. This model is engineered for the rough and tumble environment of overlanding. The frame is constructed from reinforced steel rather than just aluminum, giving it a higher weight capacity suitable for holding heavy cast iron Dutch ovens or large water jugs without bowing. The surface area is segmented into 3 distinct zones: a main cooking area, a prep station, and a cleaning or storage extension. The tabletops are easy to wipe down, designed to resist stains from oil splatters or spilled marinades. A key advantage of this Vevor configuration is the height. It is optimized to prevent back strain. Many camping tables are too low, forcing the chef to hunch over, but this unit sits at a comfortable standing height. The zippered organizers in this model usually feature a tighter mesh for ventilation, preventing moisture buildup inside the cupboards, a crucial feature in humid environments. It packs down into a single carry bag, and while it is heavy due to the steel components, the trade-off is unmatched durability.
If you are setting up a camp kitchen that needs to withstand wind and heavy usage for a week-long trip, this robust Vevor model is the workhorse you need.
Product number 4. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. If the Slim Fold is the sedan of camping kitchens, the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station is the SUV. It takes the convenient one-piece folding technology of its smaller sibling and adds features that turn it into a legitimate kitchen sink, literally. The defining feature of the Master Cook Station is the soft shell sink, a collapsible basin with a drain that allows you to wash dishes right at your station. This eliminates the need to haul dirty plates to a communal bathroom or awkwardly crouch by a spigot. In addition to the sink, this station features a taller profile and a telescoping lantern pole. This might seem like a small detail, but when you're cooking dinner after sunset, having a dedicated overhead light source that illuminates your pots is a safety necessity. The shelving system is multi-tiered, offering dedicated spots for a cooler, a stove, and utensils. Despite these added features, it retains the slim fold DNA, collapsing flat with a simple pull. The aluminum counter is spacious enough for a standard 2-burner stove. It is slightly bulkier to transport than the standard Slim Fold, but for the family camper who wants to streamline the cleanup process and keep the cooking area self-contained, the integrated sink makes this station a top-tier contender.
Product number 5. Folding camping table with storage compartment. This category covers the aluminum lightweight camp kitchen table, often found under various names, celebrated for its versatility and adjustable nature. The standout feature here is the height-adjustable legs. Campsites are rarely perfectly level. They're full of roots, rocks, and slopes. This table allows you to adjust each leg independently to create a level cooking surface on uneven ground, preventing your eggs from sliding to one side of the pan. The top table utilizes a roll-up aluminum slat design. This allows the table to pack down into a compact, tube-shaped carry bag rather than a large flat square. Beneath the slat top hangs a large, heavy-duty 600D Oxford carton storage compartment. This under-table storage is massive, utilizing the dead space beneath the surface to store pots, pans, and food items. Because the top is heat-resistant aluminum slats, it cools down quickly and is impervious to water damage. It is an excellent hybrid between a dining table and a cooking station. You can cook on it and then remove the stove to use it as a card table or eating surface.